Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zapier Chrome extension. This powerful tool lets you create automated workflows directly from your browser, making it easier than ever to connect your favorite apps and streamline repetitive tasks without leaving Chrome. First, you'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store, open your browser, and type chromewebstore.google.com into the address bar. This is where you'll find all the extensions available for Chrome, and it's your starting point for adding Zapier to your browser. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Zapier. Hit enter or click the search icon and you'll see a list of results appear. Look through these results and find the official Zapier extension, then click on it. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can learn more about what it does and how it integrates with your browser. On the Zapier extension page, you'll notice a blue button in the upper right corner that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that button. A pop-up dialog will appear asking you to confirm that you want to add this extension to your browser. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will now download and install the extension automatically, which should only take a few seconds. Now that the extension is installed, you'll want to make it easily accessible. Look for the puzzle piece icon in your Chrome toolbar at the top right of your browser window. This is the extensions icon, and clicking it will show you a drop-down menu of all your installed extensions. Scroll through the list until you find Zapier and you'll see a small pin icon next to it. Click that pin icon. This action will pin the Zapier extension directly to your toolbar, making it visible and easy to access whenever you need it. With the Zapier icon now pinned and visible in your toolbar, click on it to open the extension. This will launch the Zapier interface right within your browser, giving you quick access to all its features without needing to navigate to the full Zapier website. Inside the extension, you'll see an option to create Zapier. Click on this button to start building a new automation workflow. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to connect different apps and create automated processes that save you time and effort. In the Zap editor that opens up, you'll need to select your trigger app. This is the app that will start your automation. For this tutorial, select Zapier Chrome extension as the trigger app. This means your automation will be triggered by actions you take directly in your browser through the extension. Finally, click Configure to set up the specifics of your trigger. Here, you can add input fields if needed, depending on what kind of data you want to capture or what actions you want to automate. Take your time customizing these settings to match your workflow needs. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Zapier Chrome extension and created your first Zap trigger. Now you can automate tasks directly from your browser, making your workflow more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.